like to eat people. So, once a week, the king commanded his messenger, Patih Jubel Muda, to find him some humans to be the king's meal. Far, far away from the kingdom, there was a village called Madangkali. And there lived a young man named Saka. Saka is a very handsome and kind young man. One day, he was walking around the village. And then suddenly, he saw an old man lying unconscious in the ground. Sir, are you okay? But the old man didn't reply. So Saka decided to carry the old man and bring him into his hut. And finally, after the old man started to regain consciousness, he told Saka what had happened to him. Oh, Saka, please help me. Please help me. The king of Madangkali likes to eat people. Please help me, Saka, please. And then Saka took a deep breath to think. And then he spoke. All right, sir, I will stop Prabu Dewata Tenggar. You shall wait for my arrival, Prabu Dewata Tenggar, said Saka that was about to go to Madangkali kingdom. Then, can you guess what he saw when he arrived there? He saw that Prabu Dewata Tenggar was very angry to Patih Jubel Muda. Why? Yes, it is because Patih Jubel Muda couldn't find a single human being to be the king's meal. Hey, Jubel! Where is my food? If you cannot find anything for me to eat, I will eat you instead. Patih Jubel Muda was trembling. He was so scared, and he begged the king not to eat him. Oh, king, I am so sorry. I can't find anything for you to eat. I promise I will find them this time. Please forgive me. And then suddenly, someone appeared. Do you know who it is, everyone?
No.
Yes, it is Saka. And the king's eyes suddenly just widened open, seeing Saka's arrival. Who are you? I'm very glad that you came here. Prepare to be my next meal. I'm starving right now. And then Saka replied without any fear. All right, Your Majesty, I would be glad for you to eat me. But I want something in return. That is a land as large as my turban. And the king was very happy. He thought that the condition will be something very hard. Huh? Really? Is that what you wanted? Alright, that wouldn't be a problem for me. And then Saka slowly took off the turban from his head and threw it into the floor. And he told Prabu Dewata Tenggar to pull the turban. And then suddenly, a miracle happened. The turban suddenly started to become larger and larger until as large as the whole kingdom. And the king was very shocked, speechless, and angry to Saka. Hey, you lied to me! I will never give my whole kingdom to you! Guards, seize him! But Saka just stood still and waited quietly. And then suddenly, the turban started winding up the king's body, and then Saka pulled the turban very fast. And it made the king fall into the middle of the sea, and slowly made him drown, and die. Well, audiences, from the story we can learn that if we believe in something, we have to fight for it. Then